Hey there, friends. So you just should have finished reading Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type. So now I'm going to go over the sequence of events. So remember, when I do that, I'm putting those events of our story back in the correct order that they happened in the story. So in first grade, we talk about what happens first, next, then, and last. So I'm going to go through our story, Click, Clack, Moo, Cows That Type, and put it back in order. So first, my friends, in this story, I would say that the cows had asked for electric blankets. So this is the first thing that happened, the first main event that happened, that the cows were typing on the typewriter, they asked for blankets, and Farmer Brown said, no way. So next, the cows decided if they weren't going to get blankets, they weren't going to give milk. So they ended up going on strike. So they were not providing milk for Farmer Brown, which we know did not make him happy. So that was first and next. After that, our then event. The cows started typing for the hens. So the cows said that the hens also wanted blankets, and when Farmer Brown did nothing, they used that word impatient, that the cows got impatient with Farmer Brown, and they ended up having the hens go on strike with them. So now Farmer Brown was getting no milk and no eggs. So that's probably our then part in the story. So if you think about what we've talked about so far in the story, do you know what I'm going to say happened last in the story? The hens are on strike, the cows are on strike. Let me show you. The last event in our story. Gotta find my page. So Farmer Brown had typed up a letter, and the cows got together and started talking about it. And what happened was that Farmer Brown, the cows, and the hens all came to an agreement that they would exchange their typewriter for electric blankets, and then they would go back to work, okay? So that's what happened. The Farmer Brown gave the electric blankets to the cows and the hens. There they are sleeping. They're so cozy and warm. And they said they were going to give the typewriter to Duck to return back to Farmer Brown. So that's the last thing in the story. Now, in this story, it's a little special because there's a very last event that had happened that doesn't really have anything to do with the cows and the hens and what was happening with them in the story. This is them at the end. They're happy. They got what they wanted. But the very last thing that had happened was that we found out the ducks kept the typewriter and they wrote a letter to Farmer Brown. So we can make a really good guess. We can make a prediction that even though our story is over, there's no more story left, the story with the ducks is not over yet. We can make a really good prediction that Farmer Brown is gonna have to go through the same thing with the ducks that he went through with the hens and with the cows. So my friends, I hope that you enjoyed that story. I always love that story. It's so fun. You're doing a great job today. Keep up all of the hard work. Remember, keep going through our slides until you get to our Happy Friday slide, and then make sure you do all of your activities on Seesaw. I'll see you later.